Okay, so the lookout point where I was is up on top there, somewhere there, on top there. It's the lookout point. I'm now closer to the Elandsbos Valley. You know, a video or a photo don't do justice on the scale of things. But this is like massive. It's like a canyon. So down there in the valley is the Elandsbos River. We had some good rain last night, so everywhere there's puddles of water I have to go through. Okay. Weather is nice today. But they're not accurate. On the weather service they say 16, but it feels like 20, 22. Right, let's keep going that side, and then I must go downhill.